Nami ihatag ninyo guys. Gisugdan na ni Bros og ni ihatag din ako sa inyo ha guys. Kini siya nga type of fruit. Pero didi nga miracle fruit ganina siya. Pero guys, ihatag na ko ni sa inyo ha nga librera siya. Mahal ni siya. Really very expensive. Yeah, honestly, I want to give you this fruit. Pero kung ihatag ko ni sa inyo, kailangan pag inyong bukon, igamitan og kutsilyo og sundang. Kailangan inyo kong patanaw no kung saan niyo siya pagbuak.
Smells bad.
Pinagi sa pagpaak sa inyong ngipon.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Yummy, bros. So sweet? Or so bitter?
Naimro siya pagka-action nga tamis.
Aha.
Una siya pagkapait gamay. Pablihan yun yung tiwas?
Yeah. Darling.
Muna si Bros.
Kauban ni Jordan. Muna si Bros. Kauban ni Jordan. Darling. Ouch.
Guys, may nana. Sige.
Dili isa siya joker, no? Dito lang.
Ko pa rin, ito bigay.
Dito, guys. Manghatag min na pamilain, ana, guys. If you want some more, we can have more of this.
Mamupo pa mi.
Pero mamupo pa mi.
Dili ko amo.
Sa silingan.
Tagulang limit.
OMG. Right there.
Mukha na yung process. Should I give back na ba?
You should.
Nawa, simutan ba? Murag mangga. Murag siya butong.
I'll be the one to smell. Hala no. Tanawa guys, guys. Tagaan na sa mga pait daw ni bitter. Bitter pa sa gugma ni mo. Sige na bros, tiwasa.
Bay, sa kuan bay ba? Naaday ka na sana productive nga trabaho bay. Productive? Masa lang productive?
Mo na si Bros Harold, si Mafranca. Look alike ni Liminho, Bros. Bros, have a look. Have a look. Bros, have a look. Smile. Smile. Mo na si Mikaela. Mikaela. This is me. Hiding the cameras, darling.
Hi guys! So, welcome kay mo sa among video ron guys. Basin, wa mo kitaan sa akong gibuhat diri ha. Pero, kita man mo ani.
What is that, Sophia?
This is miracle fruit. Tamis na ni siya guys. Hinog na ni siya.
Hinog niya siya.
So, paggabi, di ba tani na mo kwaon? Pero,
And then?
sayang kayo. Kay malamang wadi mo kuha. So, kami na lang ni kuha. Healthy pa mo body. Ay,
Tama na?
yeah.
So we are making our miracle fruit juice.
Yeah. No. Oy, pakita ko piniglas na. Sure ko lang iniinom.
Yeah.
I think you're not tell me the truth.
I'm telling you the truth.
I think pait ni siya, babe. I'm look like a scooping like a watermelon.
Yeah?
I'm scooping a watermelon. Bro, you're so fast, God.
I have that one.
Bro, if you're done, we're just gonna share of this. Just make fast.
This container that we are using now, I think it is not good enough, Sophia.
I think we need more plates, you know. Bravo, big!
I don't really understand why you say that.
Hi guys, do you have a plate there that's so big, not large? You're not talking about me, why?
You can finish this one, Sophia. This another side.
No, later.
is that one?
Just come
That
help
right
me.
now is really.
I want this one. It's too fast for me, so I don't want the slow one. You finish it. Okay, you can play this one first because you can find some plates. Mama! Mama! Everything go out.
Hi mga guys, this is what I made. My miracle fruit juice. So, right now, as you can see that I am holding this highball glass, which is this my highball glass is from my freezer because I want to drink this miracle fruit juice, which is nice for me to drink if it is cold. So, really cold now, so I love it to drink like this. Something's very sweet and yummy. And then the aroma, it's really nice. Rochelle, matila mo? Rochelle, dinan pa ka? Dili, uy! Lami, kay Blasa. Bigla na, mas kayo na. Mura sa kanis, ano? Di, kaya mo man ni ate, kulang ko mas kabuang ngayon. Nakuha ko na niya, kaya gilatan ko mas mga bata. This miracle fruit is not really it is not really ripe. Lack being ripe. It's really nice if the miracle fruit is really enough ripe. Really yum. Super yum. The aroma, it's really really nice. Nagpaputol ako sa buhok ko kasi gusto ko ng new look. But then, I'm not worried about why I have my short hair at this moment. It is because my hair, it's very quick for me to have my long hair again. Because this type of my hair I have, it is very fast to grow. And bye for now. Because I have to go. I just need to enjoy to drink my miracle fruit juice.